obviously someone has a chemistry background, took a lot of science classes, that's already going to be somewhat unique for law school. But what about the people who are majoring in political science or pre-law or English, where for some of them, law school might be an afterthought, or it might have been always something in the back of their mind, but they weren't sure it was for them?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, I mean, first of all, it's definitely not something you need to tell the law school admissions committee that it's an afterthought, right? You need to present a clear case. You're applying to be a lawyer, essentially, right? So you should be able to make a good case for yourself. And you need to think about what your reasons are. And first of all, if you don't have any good reasons, maybe you shouldn't be applying to law school. I certainly tell people that sometimes. Law school is not a panacea to all your problems. It might be the opening to them, in fact. So, think about your reasons. And your reasons don't have to be because you've worked for a judge and been a paralegal and also, had an internship at the International Criminal Court. You don't have to have specific experience, but you do need to understand why you're going. So perhaps you were an English major and you've also done some social justice organizing work, and you're really interested in the criminal justice reform that, Krasner's doing in Philadelphia. You can talk about that. You don't have to have some kind of long-term experience in it, but you do need to have an interest and understand enough about yourself to be able to make the case for yourself to a law school.
Right. Those are some very valuable insights, really communicating clearly. And you brought up the idea of an extracurricular activity potentially being relevant.